everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Ocharia's entertainment sector booms. The upcoming Easter party series Vacay Weekend is set to make a significant boost to the economy of St. Anne. According to a release from the promoters, Vacay Weekend is expected to generate over $75 million in total revenue through hotels, Airbnb, transportation providers, craft vendors, and other attractions. The event, which started in 2019 in Ocharia's, is set to create over 200 direct and indirect job opportunities for locals in the area. Vacay Weekend follows on the heels of the recently concluded Spring Break series, BRT Weekend. The two massive party series joins Rebel Salute as major earners for Ocharia's. Now, this has positioned Ocharia's as another entertainment mecca of the island and joins cities like Montego Bay with Reggae Sumfest, the Grill House Dream Weekend, and Kingston with Jamaica Carnival, all billion-dollar earners for the sector and economy on a whole. Dancehall under attack by AI. A conversation that began as an educational purpose at the IMC Music Conference last month has now seen its first threat to dancehall. Earlier this week, dancehall sensation Niger Boy was cloned by using AI technology for his latest single, Judgment. The Continental singer, in speaking with E Prime, says he was shocked to hear the AI version of his song.
It's crazy. I was shocked. It's cool too. Like, I remember sitting there and I yelled out, "Yo, that bad!" And I'm there trying to pick out which voice sounds the realest to me.
He shared that AI may also have a negative impact on an artist's creativity.
If heavily relied upon, then I believe it does negatively impact music. It does negatively impact an artist's creativity.
The videos circulating show AI voice cloning technology replicating the distinct sound and styles of dancehall artists like Vybz Kartel, Movado, Coffee, Valiant, Idonia, and Intense. This raises ethical concerns about consent and preserving an artist's legacy, which was raised during the IMC conference in February.
You're trying to own your likeness, which I said that's going to be a big thing. Your voice also is something that so it's being discussed, right? I know it's a big thing to get legislation to actually get that done.
Miley Cyrus to become youngest entertainer named Disney Legend. The singer will be honored alongside 13 entertainers at the Disney Legend ceremony on August 11. Cyrus started acting at age 8 and landed the lead role in the Disney Channel series Hannah Montana at 13. She continued her Disney fame through the Best of Both Worlds tour in 2007, her voice role in the Disney movie Bolt in 2008, and her lead role in Hannah Montana the movie in 2009. Cyrus recently won her first ever Grammy Award for Record of the Year and Best Pop Solo Performance for her chart-topping single Flowers off her 2023 album Endless Summer Vacation. Now, Bryson Tiller is back. Tiller announced his fourth self-titled album, Bryson Tiller, scheduled for April 5. This comes 4 years after his last album Anniversary, released on the 5th anniversary of his highly praised first album, Trap Soul. To celebrate the announcement, Tiller revealed the album artwork and released the first official track, Calypso. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.